Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you for accepting this video. So today I'm going to go over just a few tips that you guys can apply right now that's going to help with your online presence and get you more organic leads. So the first thing I have to mention is that your website is the source for over 70% of your organic leads. So that is why your website is so critical to be fully optimized. Okay, so now we are on your website. Okay. Say, you have a good looking website. Got a little bit of content and information here. What I am not seeing is any keyword usage. Keywords are very important when it comes to being found by your potential customers. Okay, so all looks like good information. But unfortunately, nobody's seeing this information. So, yeah. So Google does not rank your website based on appearance. It is all based on content. Content is key. And so you need a lot of content on your website. This is content. You need a lot of content on your website. You need more content than your top competitors in every one of your service areas. Google wants a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, which you might have. And although this is great information, it's not helping you to be found. So all of this content for your services and Radon and all these facts needs to be built around buyer intent keywords that are going to be location based. So buyer intent keywords, those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services you're offering. So you need to be using keywords, those buyer intent keywords, and build your content around that for each of these areas. You need 100 to 150 words a minimum for every keyword that you're trying to target. Looks like you serve all of Iowa, so your main pages can be built around Iowa keywords. But I would sincerely recommend that you have a separate page for each one of your service areas. Every major community that you service that has any search volume for radon testing in that community or any of your other services must have its own page so that you can be found in those areas. Each of your services need their own page so that you can focus on those keywords in each of these services in each of those locations. That's going to be really important when it comes to organically being found for your services. Google has robots called crawlers that go and index all of these pages. So all these pages need to have original content. And then the robots will pull and go through that original content, find those important keywords, and they will rank you for those keywords so they can put you in front of your customers. Your top competitor in Iowa is Ameriserve Radon Mitigation of Iowa. They've got a good website. It's pretty bright in your face, hard to miss. They got the separate pages for services. They have separate pages for their service areas, each with unique content and good keywords. You can see they're going after those state buyer intent keywords. They've got interlinking between pages. They're doing a really good job on their website. They have more content here with more of those buyer intent keywords. Their service area. Videos are always helpful, but they're not necessary. And it does look like they have quite a bit more content than you guys do, so you're definitely going to need more content to be able to beat these guys. You're going to need more content, more pages, separate pages for your services, and separate pages for each of the service areas you service with unique content, and everything being built around those buyer intent keywords for each of those locations. The next step to beating them is going to be your search engine optimization. So this is Ahrefs, which tells us how your website is performing. As you can see right here, your website has a rating of 0.5 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website, which is 100% because of referring domains and backlinks. You don't have very many. You're going to need quite a few backlinks, but not all backlinks are created equal. So you do need to make sure that they are highly authoritative backlinks that are directly related to the services you offer. And you're going to need more of those than your top competitors in each of your service areas. You have been indexed for 13 keywords, but you're only seeing about 9 people on average to your website per month. Looking at your top keywords, you do have 2 buyer intent keywords on the home page, so that's good. The rest of your keywords that have been indexed are a couple pages back, so you are definitely going to have to work on your keywords. Looking at your competitor, they have a low score as well with a 3.8. They have over 384 backlinks, so you're going to need more than they have, and also better quality. The fact that they have over 300 and a 3.8 shows that not all these backlinks are of good quality, and that they are probably either spam or completely unrelated, so you're going to need better quality. They have been indexed for over 600 pages, and so they're getting over 200 people on average per month. So this shows you you're missing out on a big chunk of potential volume and customers. Backlinks are when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant these websites are that link to you, the more authority and power it's going to give you. But it's also important that you're linking these backlinks to your keywords so you can rank for them, be found for your services in each of your service areas. And then this is the Google Maps section or Google My Business page. This is important. You want to be in the top 3 of this section in each of your service areas for your relevant keywords, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not listed in the top 3 in each of those areas, you're going to be sending those leads to your competition. You are in this specific search for the state of Iowa. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are a number of factors, but the most important are citations, which are going to be the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in each of your service areas with those keywords. We really hope that you found this video to be helpful and that you'll be able to apply these tips and start getting more of those organic leads. We really would love to get your feedback on the video and what you thought. And then if you need any help at all getting this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.